Today I'm going to show you how to wrap a brisket with the Texas Crutch, a technique that helps it cook faster and stay moister. Here the pitmaster at Panther City Barbecue in Fort Worth, Texas takes a brisket that's been smoking for 7 hours, lays it on top of pink butcher paper. He gives it a little squirt with water to help it stick, and then some liquefied margarine. You can use butter or oil. Now I prefer butter. And then a hit of his rub, and now he's going to fold it, and he fold it tight so steam can't escape, and that way it slightly braises and it contains much of the liquid within the paper. Foil is better at retaining the liquid and holding all the moisture in, but a lot of people prefer the way the paper breathes. It's a lively debate and an argument, and I've done both, and I don't see a huge difference. Here, he's folding them up nice and tight. He's going to wrap it up, and then it's going to go back on the smoker alongside the other briskets. It'll stay on the smoker for several hours until it hits around 200 to 205 degrees, and it reaches the desired tenderness of the pitmaster. For the science, go to AmazingRibs.com/crutch.